because you know you're gonna be in aisle 5 in Target sliding back and ain't nobody gonna tell you. Your girl Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a wig review on this really quick style from Outre. This is SAFIRA. I believe that's how you say it. SAFIRA. This is from the Crimp wave style collection. They have a lot of them. So this is a bob version. So I wanted to bring this one to my channel because I have reviewed Tawny and Odessa, and those are Crimp simple, easy, wavy styles, and they came up with a bob. So I said, okay, I need to get this bob to show y'all this bob, and I really like this bob. So this is a really easy plop and go. It comes with that basic cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and this lace part. I went in with a wig grip. I feel with these basic lace part caps, you absolutely need a wig grip because the cap is not ventilated and it's not too stretchy. It's stretchy, but it doesn't have like that ventilated effect going on. So I feel like you need a wig grip so it doesn't slide back, because you know you're gonna be in aisle 5 in Target sliding back and ain't nobody gonna tell you. So you need a wig grip. Put your wig grip on, easy, plop and go. I did just cut the lace off, very basic. Nothing to it. I did go in with a little bit of Ebin tint spray just to kind of match that lace a little bit. These laces on these Outre units, I noticed they're kind of a little olivey. So just to match it to my complexion, I did go in with dark brown Ebin tint spray. I also did go in with a little bit of powder, and that's it. That is it, okay? The color I have is DRFF Honey Brown, and I actually wanted this color in my Odessa review, but I picked that chocolate covered honey. Y'all know what review I'm talking about. The review, I had an attitude. I had a serious attitude in that review. I didn't even talk to y'all. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check that review out. I'll leave a link below. But that review right there, it was longer. It was really pretty, that chocolate covered honey. But I absolutely wanted this DRFF Honey Brown, and I'm happy I got it. I'm loving this face framing highlight right here. This dark brown and these like dark root mixed with this honey brown right here, and then you get like the face framing effect right here. So yeah, really simple, really easy plop and go. This style is a bob, but it's also a little inverted, just so you see. It's longer in the front, and then in the back it's a little bit shorter, and then you kind of get a little bit more inverted in the front. So really pretty. I did go in with a little bit of Lotta Body just to kind of, after I combed her out, I brushed her out and I finger combed it, but then I went in with the Lotta Body just to kind of set the curls back so it's not so frizzy looking. I like the texture on this. It's really soft, but it definitely is that silky texture, but it's really flowy, girl. Like it's fine. I did go in a little bit off my hairline too, also, just to kind of make it look a little bit more natural, but you can keep it on your hairline. It does come with baby hairs, so if you feel like you need them to swoop them, you can use that. And that's that. Nothing else more to say. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Make sure you drop me a comment, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.